Let's look at an overview of data collection principles. Let's talk about populations and samples. In this article, the research question is, can people become better, more efficient runners on their own merely by running? The population of interest is all people. Our sample, according to the article, is a group of adult women who recently joined a running group. The population to which results can be generalized, then, is adult women, and that is assuming that the data are randomly sampled. Let's talk about anecdotal evidence. Anti-smoking research started in the 30s and 40s when cigarette smoking became increasingly popular. While some smokers seemed to be sensitive to cigarette smoke, others were completely unaffected. Anti-smoking research was faced with resistance based on anecdotal evidence, such as, "My uncle smokes 3 packs a day, and he's in perfectly good health." Evidence based on a limited sample size that might not be representative of the population. This is anecdotal evidence. It was concluded that smoking is a complex human behavior, by its nature difficult to study, confounded by human variability. In time, though, researchers were able to examine larger samples of cases, and trends showing that smoking has negative health impacts became much clearer. Some might ask, wouldn't it be better if we could just include everyone in a sample and sample the entire population? This is what is known as a census. Unfortunately, there are problems with taking a census. First, it can be difficult to complete a census. There always seems to be some individuals who are hard to locate or hard to measure, and these difficult to find people may have certain characteristics that distinguish them from the rest of our population. Populations rarely stand still. Even if you could take a census, the population changes constantly, so it's never possible to get a perfect measure. And lastly, taking a census may be more complex than sampling. Think about how much time and energy and money it would take in order to complete a census on the entire US population. For another perspective on census, check out this Morning Edition piece from NPR titled "Illegal Immigrants Reluctant to Fill Out Census Forms." There will be a link on D2L. Let's talk about exploratory analysis to inference. We know that sampling is natural. Think about sampling something you are cooking. You taste a small part of what you're cooking to get an idea about the dish as a whole. When you taste a spoonful of soup, you decide the spoonful you tasted isn't salty enough. That's known as exploratory analysis. If you generalize and conclude that your entire soup needs salt, that's inference. For your inference to be valid, the spoonful you tasted needs to be representative of the entire pot. That is to say, the sample needs to be representative of the population. If your spoonful comes only from the surface of and the salt is collected at the bottom of the pot, what you tasted is probably not representative of the whole pot. This is bad sampling. If you first stir the soup thoroughly before you taste, your spoonful will more likely be representative of the whole pot. This is good sampling. There is some sampling bias that could occur. One is non-response. If only a small fraction of the randomly sampled people choose to respond to a survey, the sample may no longer be representative of the population. The second is voluntary response. This occurs when the sample consists of people who volunteer to respond because they have strong opinions on the issue. Such as a sample will not be representative of the population. An example of that might be this quick vote idea. The next is convenience sampling. Individuals who are easily accessible are more likely to be included in the sample. Let's look at an example of sampling bias in the Landon versus FDR election of 1936. In 1936, Landon sought the Republican presidential nomination, opposing the re-election of FDR. This is a historical example where biased sampling yields misleading results. The Literary Digest polled about 10 million Americans and got responses from about 2.4 million. One would think that with such a large number, this would be good data. The population showed that Landon would likely be the overwhelming winner, and FDR would get only 43% of the votes. The election results, however, show FDR won with 62% of the votes. The magazine was completely discredited because of the poll and was soon discontinued. What went wrong? Well, the magazine had surveyed its own readers, who happened to be registered automobile owners and registered telephone users. These groups had incomes well above the national average of the day. Remember that the Great Depression era, which results in lists of voters far more likely to support the Republicans than a truly typical voter of the time. That is to say, the sample was not representative of the American population at the time. The Literary Digest election poll was biased on a sample size. The Literary Digest election poll was based on a sample size of 2.4 million, which is huge, but since the sample was biased, the sample did not yield an accurate prediction. Back to our soup analogy. If the soup is not well stirred, it doesn't matter how large a spoon you have, it will still not taste right. If the soup is well stirred, a small spoon will give you sufficient evidence for testing the soup. Here's a practice problem. A school district is considering whether or not it will no longer allow high school students to park at school after 2 recent accidents where students were severely injured. As a first step, they surveyed parents by mail, asking them whether or not the parents would object to this policy change. Of 6,000 surveys that go out, only 1,200 are returned. Of these 1,200 surveys that were completed, 960 agreed with the policy change, and 240 disagreed. Which of the following statements are true? 1. Some of the mailings may have never reached the parents. 2. The school district has strong support from parents to move forward with the policy approval. 3. It is possible that majority of the parents of high school students disagree with the policy change. Or 4. The survey results are unlikely to be biased because all parents were mailed a survey. The correct answer should be C, 1 and 3. Some of the mailings may have never reached the parents. This could explain why we had such poor turnout. And because of this, 3 is also an option. It is possible that the majority of parents of high school students disagree with the policy change, seeing as how we got less than 50% of our surveys back. To identify explanatory variables in a pair of variables, identify which of the two is suspected of affecting the other. The explanatory variable is the variable that might affect the response variable. We measure the response variable. Labeling variables as explanatory and response does not guarantee the relationship between the two is actually causal. Even if there is an association identified between the two variables, we use these labels only to keep track of which variables we suspect affects the other. In an observational study, researchers collect data in ways that do not directly interfere with how data arise. That is, they merely observe and can only establish an association between the explanatory and response variables. In an experiment, researchers randomly assign subjects to various treatments in order to establish a causal connection between the explanatory and response variables. If you're going to walk away with anything from this class, let it be that correlation does not imply causation. And that is shown in this cute little comic right here.